so right now aku udah sampai di Singapura. Agak backlight, bentar. Okay. Nah, kita udah sampai di Singapura and we're at Como Hotel again. Karena kita balik lagi ke sini. Love you, Crystal. And also, if you guys are wondering, this hair is not real. It's clip, guys. Jadi jangan terbohongi. But yeah, now karena kita udah sampai, kita kelaparan. And the main reason kenapa aku nggak record dari airport, itu asal kalian tahu kita semua aku, Debbie, tadi udah pada serawutan, guys. Jadi kalau kita rekam, there might be a highly chance kita bakalan miss the flight. And yeah, jadi intinya kita udah di sini. Everything is all good. Terus sekarang lagi mencari makan apa? Kita makan apa? Belum tahu. Asal belakangan. But yeah, if you guys want to see the view from Como, it's a little bit similar to the one that we had before, but this one is even more higher, I think. You guys see it for yourself. Wow. Sekarang kita lagi ngantri buat makan namanya 3 meals a day, and it's my first time actually being here. Ini lumayan ramai sih guys, kayaknya ini tempat dimana orang-orang biasa kayak bekerja kantoran, terus mereka pada makan semua di sini. So kita akhirnya udah duduk, dan ya di sini tuh there's one thing that I noticed about Singapore. Biasanya mereka tuh kalau ada kursi kosong kayak gini, itu bakalan di-fill sama orang lain. Jadi kalau ada customer yang datangnya sendiri, mereka bakalan nge-fill the gap. Sebelah aku kosong, jadi let's see kalau ada yang di-fill. After trying it, actually, it's not that bad. Aku kan pecinta manis ya, terus di sini tuh lebih rentan ke manisnya daripada ke salted egg-nya, ke asinnya. Perbedaannya kalau sama kayak beberapa brand-brand lain yang di Indonesia, itu kan biasa mereka lebih kental ya. Sedangkan kalau di sini tuh lebih cair, and mereka agak bening-ish. Tapi yang pasti kerasa banget tuh manisnya sih, karena manisnya tuh beda banget. Kalau kalian lidah Jawa, kalian pasti suka tinggi. Sekarang kita di Capish Plaza because we're gonna meet up with Theo and Crystal, Vini from Sega and Razer. Yeah! Yeah guys, it's day 2 and now kita lagi mau OTW ke One North. Karena di One North itu acara Razernya. Nah, kebetulan kita tadi udah ngobrol-ngobrol juga, ketemu sama Valerie from Razer di Como. Turns out, the first 20% yang bakalan di One North as VIP itu bisa dapet picture with Razer, with Faker. And yeah, nanti kita bakalan queue for the VIP, and di sana katanya nanti bakalan ada banyak juga KOL lain, especially Ruru sama is gonna be there. Terus ada my friend, we're mutuals in Instagram, but I've never met her in real life yet. We're meeting soon. Ada beberapa Twitch streamers, apalagi yang based in Singapore. Ada Spicy juga. I love Spicy. Let's see nanti bakalan kayak gimana. Karena ini sebenarnya startnya tuh jam 6, tapi kita di jam 4 ini udah OTW ke sana. Kalian mau lihat orang yang excited sama ketemu Faker gak? Sampai nggak mau, duduknya nggak nempel guys. Itu kita tadi udah ngecek venue-nya kayak gimana. Kita tadi lagi ngetes dulu, ngeliput-liput dikit, dan ya lumayan rame ya guys, karena ini weekday juga aslinya. But at the same time, tadi I've met with Komin Liang akhirnya. Ini fotonya, wow.
Yeah, in person at least. Yeah, that's great. Oh, you guys are here pretty early.
Yeah, really early. I'm trying to make some contacts with the
All right, awesome. Looking forward to that. For sure, of course, absolutely. Sure.
Okay. Now we're heading to Wang Fu Dim Sum, my favorite dim sum place here. I don't know why. Itu kayaknya di pelet deh guys. Kalau Singapura peletnya apa nih? Itu Wang Fu Dim Sum, saking enaknya guys. Aku tuh pengen ngebawa cooler box dari Jakarta, terus aku terbangin ke sini buat aku bawa Wang Fu Dim Sum itu doang. Let's see, nanti kalau emang bisa, aku bakalan bawa pulang ke Jakarta, and I don't care, my Wang Fu Dim Sum. Di sini by the way ada madem gitu sih guys. Kayak sorenya tuh nggak secentreng kayak di Jakarta gitu loh. Wah, jidatku bersinar. Jangan guys, malu. Kalian bisa main alis gak? Gue dilatin orang. Look at this, I'm finally here. My beloved baby girl. This one.
I met one of my idols, Daigo last year.
You see that? You see that right there? Important, this is important.
Important shit. Come on.
Eh? Ah, no lah. By the way, we're here with
KG, Leslie.
and me.
Together we are singing.
Yeah, and this is the one who's having a wedding today, and I'm just here as her cameraman. So yeah. Yeah, it's her wedding day. Look at this.
My bouquet.
Look at all this.
The love of a life.
She brought a shrine to the anniversary event. We're just queuing for some reason. I'm not even gonna eat. Okay, so there's actually two queues. One is for the public one and one is for the VIP one. Right now we're queuing for the VIP and yeah, a lot of people is here. And I think it's sponsored by Red Bull because Red Bull is everywhere here. Look. If you guys can see, there's a fridge, like a legit Red Bull fridge there. This is my bag. If you guys can see, it's lighting up. Oh, Red Bull!
No.
The whole fridge.
This one.
Oh no! Can we like fix it just one? Can we? I think we just fix it a little bit to the left. There we go.
No words can describe how amazing, how grateful we are feeling right now, right?
Yeah!
Yeah! Raise your hand! We're here for that! That's right! Maker! The unkillable demon king maker! Thank you so much for coming to Singapore! Everyone, can you please say hi to Maker one more time? Like, just wave a bit out. So in the middle!
Look
And
at
also
me.
on the right side, all the way there. 오셔서 너무너무 감사합니다. Can I just ask how you feel right now? 지금 기분이 어떠신지 좀 여쭤봐도 될까요?
싱가포르에서 팬분들 만나는 거 처음이라서 너무 기쁩니다.
This is my first time seeing our fans in Singapore, so I feel so great. 저희도 뵙게 돼서 너무 반가워요. We're so excited to see you tonight, right, man?
Yeah!
Okay, so. We would like to invite our Min Liang Tan, the CEO and co-founder of Razer, on the stage to share some good words.
All right, thank you very much for coming. You know, this is fantastic.
And then we will try our best to answer as much as possible. Okay? We'll try our best.
Hello guys, it's day 3 in Singapore and yeah, it's my last day here. I had so much fun yesterday because as you can see before this, I went to the food court with a bunch of KOLs and yeah, I have friends now. But yeah, anyways, so what happened is at the Razer event, I met Pomilia and then I met so many new people. Especially, you guys know who I meet? I meet Ruru Sama, you know? And yeah, she's very pretty. But I also meet Just Spicy because Just Spicy did not think that I was there because I'm Indonesian. But at the same time, Theo from Razer, Teddy, did not tell me that Spicy is coming. I just know that Spicy is coming before that day. And yeah, we finally get together again and I think there will be a possibility of us hanging out in the future when I come back to Singapore to play. Yeah, and not for work this time. What else? Yeah, actually actually like a lot of stuff happened, but my DJI, look where I put my DJI yesterday. So yeah, if you guys want to see like a lot of more footage from the Razer figure meet and greet, just go to my Instagram, okay? I'll put it here. And yeah, I'll check out my hotel soon. I've given Crystal some flowers yesterday again. I hope you like it, Crystal, if you're watching this. But overall, yeah, still the best place to stay in Singapore right now, from my experience, is Como. Because nothing beats the location, the food, and the room in general. And now I'm gonna check out and I'll be on my way to Meta. So I'll see you guys at